How to use Pinterest idea pins to get more views. So for that, what you're gonna do is, first thing, hook within the first 2 seconds, meaning that you need to use high contrast text overlays, add bold keyword rich headlines directly on the video screen using Pinterest built-in text tool. Then what you're going to do is show a final result first. If you are sharing a recipe, a DIY hack, or an outfit formula, what you're going to do is start the video with beautiful finished product before showing the step-by-step process. Then implement video SEO, search engine optimization. So for that, what you're going to do is search bar extraction. Type your topic into the Pinterest search bar to see automated keyword suggestions. Add exact topic tags. Right before publishing, use built-in tag topic feature to select up to 10 highly relevant interest categories. Then after doing that, lastly, build multi-page savable value. So for that, stitch up to 3 to 5 videos clicked together and provide a complete instruction. So after doing all of these, you will be able to use Pinterest idea pins to get more views. And that's it.